In this video, you will learn how to deploy a website on Cloudflare pages. This tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you understand how to set up and publish your site effectively. Begin by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard. Open your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the account associated with your email address and confirm that you are in the correct account home screen. This screen typically displays an overview of your domains and settings. Next, find and click on the option labeled Account Home. This action will take you deeper into the dashboard where you can manage various features. After clicking, you should see a comprehensive view of your account's services, including workers and pages. After that, look for the workers and pages option in the dashboard menu. Clicking this will direct you to a section dedicated to managing your applications and deployments. Ensure that the interface displays options related to worker scripts and page settings. Once this appears, locate the plus icon, which allows you to start a new project. Clicking this icon will present you with options to create a new site or application. Confirm that you see a prompt that guides you to select a template for your deployment. Next, click on Select a Template. This action will open a list of available templates that you can use for your project. You should see various options designed for different types of applications and websites. After that, click on Browse All Templates to explore additional templates. This step is crucial as it allows you to view a wider variety of pre-built templates that can streamline your deployment process. Now click on Durable Chat App from the available templates. This selection will provide you with a ready-made structure for your website. Ensure that you can see a preview or description of the Durable Chat App before proceeding. Following this, click on the button labeled Deploy to Cloudflare. This action will initiate the deployment setup, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the deployment process is starting. Next, click on Create and Deploy. This step confirms your choice to deploy the selected template to your Cloudflare pages. Wait for the system to process your request, as this may take a moment depending on your internet speed. After the deployment begins, click on the status message that reads Initializing Build Environment. This step allows you to monitor the progress of your deployment. A loading indicator may appear while the environment is being prepared. Once the build environment is initialized, click on Continue to Project. This action will navigate you to the project dashboard where you can manage your newly deployed website. Ensure that you see your project listed and ready for further configuration. If you would like to experiment with deploying a website on Cloudflare pages yourself, a link has been provided in the description and pinned comment below. This will offer you direct access to start your own deployment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.